100 degrees here in Burbank. Heading to the first location for the day. Got a great vlog for you guys today. So, again, heading to the first location. Stay with me, folks. It's gonna be an incredible day.
1,000 feet, turn left onto Foreman Avenue.
Heading inside to get something to eat. Here we are at Foreman's Whiskey Tavern. Let's go on in and grab something to eat here. See what we can find. Nice little place. Hey, who is this? Who do we have here? Hey, it's Curly G. Andy P. Andy P. Oh, hey, how?
Curly G.
That's Curly G. Hey, Chris, how you doing, buddy? Cricky D. Ah. Yeah, I got Shep here too.
It happens.
Oh yeah.
Shep happens. Hiya, Pally.
Hey, how you doing, Pally?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Are we live right now?
No, we're not live, but we are. I am filming on my new camera.
What is that thing? Very nice.
Yeah. Here, let me stop. Yeah.
Is that an iPhone? Oh, look at that! Oh, astigmatism. Yeah,
There's no Wi-Fi down there.
Oh, really?
It's like,
Here, go ahead and hit record. Film.
what we like to do is get way ahead of you.
Did you press the button?
Of course I did. Come on.
come on, you're way ahead of us. We're professionals.
iPhone?
We're professional morons.
We're not ordinary
Give
people.
that endpoints reached. I don't know what.
Hello?
Hey, what's in there? Let me see your camera.
Hello?
You got any?
No, I got tonsillitis.
You were born with tonsillitis.
I got an infection, an infectious personality. Oh, I take
Oh, ow. Okay.
Hey, leave him alone.
Leave him alone. That's your line.
leave him alone. Go on. I had to tear out your tonsils and shove them down your throat.
Tear out your tonsils and tie them around your neck for a bow tie.
I'll rip out your Adam's apple and squeeze out the cider.
Hey, I'd just rather have my wife's terrible brisket. Hope she's not watching.
Curly G,
She never watches.
Did you ever find someone to take care of you? A nice lady to take care of you?
That's got some little corrections.
I know, we need one of
Very
these.
cool.
How come we don't have one of these?
That got some
How come we don't have one of these?
Why are you hitting me?
I don't know. I like that thing. I like that thing.
Whip pan.
How much is
Whip
that?
pan. Oh, it looks like
$600? It's
Yeah.
worth this.
It's
That
like
was
gold.
$1 million.
It's HD, right?
It's like 4K. 4K. 60 frames per second.
Very
yeah.
cool. We could use it this morning. No. Where were you?
I wish you could see the device itself because it looks like a little person. Looks like a little cute little robot.
Wait.
Hello, I'm going to say hello to you.
We gotta get one of those.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, you guys gotta get one of them.
Yeah, we do. We got to get something better.
Yeah, you guys gotta get one of these.
We're using flip phones.
You guys are using flip
Here, wait,
phones.
smile for the camera. Oh, that was a pretty good Nah.
Yeah.
I'm in Los Angeles.
I'm actually in town on business, doing a movie screening.
Oh, that's good. We're giving you the business.
Yeah, you guys are giving me the business.
Yeah, we're also giving you the bill.
No, don't give me the bill.
Oh, don't be tacky.
Leave him alone.
Don't worry. Our duck's got the bill. Oh.
Yeah, the duck's also
Let me mop that up. That cracks me up. You're sweating.
What's the matter with you guys? Act like gentlemen.
Who came in?
So what movie?
Guys, incidentally, Chris, Andy, and Brad just informed me that this place was actually owned by the Three Stooges back in the day. So it's no wonder we chose this place. Awesome. They got some other things they want to show us, so let's go and check these out.
Okay, so we're outside of the Placidia house that belonged to Shemp Howard. He eventually sold it to his son, who his daughter-in-law, after his son passed away, eventually sold it to Denzel Washington.
Really?
Yes. And I know the family wish it was still in the family, but it's not. But anyway, so this is where Shemp lived.
Wow, with his wife, Gertrude.
Yes.
Wow, and he lived here until he died, didn't he?
No, so he sold it to his son, and then he moved into an apartment building over here with his wife, Babe. And we'll show you that. But we're going to go to Mo's house next because it's right around the corner.
Oh, Mo's house is right down there.
Go down to Mo's, and then we'll go to Shemp's apartment building.
All right, I'll follow you.
So this is where Mo lived. The weather vane was up. It's kind of blocked by the tree, but I believe it was over there on that far left roof. I could be wrong. Maybe it was on top. I'm not really sure, but I know there's pictures of it. You could check. And he lived here until he eventually sold it and moved to Thrasher Avenue, which I'm not really sure where that is. We gotta go find it some other day. But anyway, this is where Mo lived, right around the corner from Shemp.
Yeah, and this is where the home videos were taken in the early days.
Yes.
With the kids drawn all over his and Shemp's face.
Yep.
Those old home movies. And where was the film taken of Curly's wedding?
I do not know, actually.
Wow, that's an interesting one to find.
You'll have to find that out.
Yeah. Now, he lived here from what year to what year?
I don't know the years that he lived here. Yeah, we gotta do a little more research.
Yeah, but that is cool.
Yep.
The Grand Stooge tour today. And I don't mean Grand Stooge like Grand Stooge. I mean the Grand Three Stooges tour of the homes and everything.
That's right.
Awesome. You said the building's no longer here,
Yeah,
though.
the house he lived in is no longer here. It's now an apartment building. I think it's that one.
This one here,
10611.
10611. Yeah. That one down
It
there.
is that one. I remember getting kicked out of that place.
You got kicked
Definitely
out.
that one.
Yeah, you should go shoot the front. You can see. Let me see. I might have a picture.
You actually got kicked out of that place.
Well, yeah, actually, I started knocking door to door and no one answered. So then I started climbing the balconies. And see, things didn't really pan out for me.
You just dropped in, eh?
Hey, sort of like my acting career. Hey, so go ahead.
All right.
Get a little closer and then come back and say your goodbyes.
All right.
We love you, baby.
Telly Savalas loves you.
Yeah. He never gave me a lollipop.
Aw, how rude.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You can see. I'll show you this. So this is from his personal stationery.
Mm-hmm. I got it.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Curly Joe, 10611 Moore Park, North Hollywood. So that's the building there.
This one here.
Yeah.
But it's no longer, the house
So
is.
it used to be a house,
Mm-hmm.
and then his after he passed away, his stepsons sold it, and then they built this building.
Oh, wow.
Or they built the building, and then they sold it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And there's Curly G in front of
Curly
where
G.
Joe lived.
Curly G.
I respect all the Curlys.
All the
a lot
Curly-
of people knew Curly Howard the most, but you know what? The show went on because of Joe Besser, Joe DeRita. They made the Curlys live. They made Larry and Mo's career last another 16 years. Thank God for both of them, and thank God for you, and thank God for you.
Hey, where are you going? Down on Hollywood Boulevard, and look, keeping with the theme, whoop, 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 Mo, Larry, and Curly. And there is some people over there preaching about welcoming the Lord into your heart. I don't know what that's all about, but we're now crossing Hollywood Boulevard onto Highland, and look at this guy again, huh? I love it at night when he's all lit up, busting through the roof, and appropriate sunglasses for the weather. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Hollywood Wax Museum over there. I was told by Brad and Andy that the Hollywood Wax Museum is not exactly all that it's revved up to be, that Madame Tussauds is so much better. And I've never actually vlogged inside a Madame Tussauds, so we'll head over there then. But first, we're gonna go somewhere else. Here we are, the Hollywood Museum, the historical Max Factor building. Nice chandelier in there. And look who we got here. Well, hello, Marilyn. I bet you're feeling cool today. The 7-year itch. Let's head on in, shall we? Here's the theme. "100 years of the Three Stooges." Joan Crawford and Mary Pickford. Alright guys, so I've just been informed that I'm not allowed to film inside, but I can take still photos. So here we go with another photographic vlog. Here we go. guys, that's going to do it for today, because I actually have to film 2 vlogs today, because tomorrow I have a special event planned that I will not be able to film right away, and I need to get a daily vlog up all 7 days this week. So I'm going to end this one right now. The event that's happening tomorrow will eventually be posted up on my channel, but I have to wait for the organization who is filming it actually to release it to me, which could take some time. But I have to film 2 vlogs today, so this one right now is over, and I will post the next one that I'm going to now up tomorrow. So for now, vlog for Saturday over.